Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you will fine. Today we will learn some numericals of chapter number 3. So let us start our lecture. Today our subject is physics, page number 83. Topic is numericals. So we solved 4 numericals in our previous lecture. Today we will discuss question number 3.5. Our body has weight 20 Newton. How much force is required to move it vertically upward with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square? So data is weight W is equal to 20 Newton. Weight is mg is equal to 20. Putting the value of g, which is gravitational acceleration, so m multiplied 10 is equal to 20, so m is equal to 20 by 10. So mass of the body is 2 kg. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. So m, by putting the value of m and a, we have 2 multiplied 2, which is equal to 4 Newton. So force need to move vertically upward is equal to weight plus applied force. So 20 plus 4, which is equal to 24 Newton. In numerical 3.6, the masses 52 kg and 48 kg are attached to the ends of a string that passes over a frictionless pulley. Find tension in the string and acceleration when both bodies are moving vertically. This is the case 1. So in case 1, we use the formula of acceleration A and the tension T as solution is m1 52 kg, m2 is 48 kg. We have to find acceleration and tension. As bodies are moving vertically, so A is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Putting the values, 52 minus 48 by 52 plus 48 multiply 10. So 52 minus 48 is equal to 4. 52 plus 48 is equal to 100. 0 cancel with 0. So 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4 meter per second square, which is acceleration. So tension is equal to 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Putting the values of m1 and m2 and g, we have 2 multiply 52 multiply 48 multiply 10 by 52 plus 48. So this product is equal to 4992 by 100 multiply 10. 0 cancel with 0. So 4992 divided by 10, we have 499.2 Newton, which can be written in this form 500 Newton. So our tension is 500 Newton. In question number 3.7, which is about the second case. So we have two masses 26 kg and 24 kg are attached to the ends of a string which passes over a frictionless pulley. 26 kg is lying over smooth horizontal surface. So 24 Newton is our mass 1 is moving vertically downward. Find tension T and acceleration A. As one body is moving horizontally and other one is moving vertically. So this is the case 2. In case 2, we use the formula of A is equal to m1 by m1 plus m2 into g, and tension T is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Putting in the values, we get the value of A is equal to 4.8 meter per second square, and the value of tension T we get 124 Newton, which is our tension. Dear students, I hope you will understand these numericals. Please write these numericals on your neat copies. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the native slogan. Allah Hafiz.